Hi! Para tayo mga princess!
Sa mga video listeners.
Kaya mo pa ba? And
Wait lang.
watchers?
And watchers.
Sa mga viewers natin.
Sa mga videographer dyan. Makikita niyo yung buhok namin ni Ashley ngayon.
Oo, nag-effort kami, guys. We
MJ Damian ang gumawa.
Shoutout po kay
hair.
MJ Damian. Oh!
Ano
Yes.
yung look mo ngayon?
Arwana Grande.
Arwana.
Little na Arwana.
High pony, tas
Yes.
yung tendrils. May chickster nag-comment, tendrils daw yung
Tendrils.
tawag sa ganito.
Ang tawag ko nga dito, yung panghito eh, di ba? Kaya nga eh. So, maka-catfish, di ba? Oy, nangangatfish, catfish. Ikaw,
Ano
you look
ako?
like a princess.
Princess
Hershey.
Shih Tzu.
Di ba may mga Shih Tzu din na princess yung pangalan? Di ba? Pero kupal sila.
Yung mga Shih Tzu,
princess.
yung mga Shih Tzu, either princess yung name or Hershey.
Oo. Or Bella.
Bella.
Or Coco. Or Kobe. Di ba? Di ba? Lagi na... Tapos sabi ko nga kanina, yung princess, princess type na
Shih
aso,
Tzu.
na Shih Tzu, isang apak mo lang patay na.
Sabi ko kay Ashley, ba't ganon? Cute yung dinadescribe mo, pero morbid ka pa rin mag-describe.
That's just me, you know. Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm Hershey.
And this is Chicks to Go. Go, go, go!
Ay, 3 minutes yung intro na yun.
Yun yung pinakamatino.
Matinong intro. Tama.
Oh,
Tama.
wow. Oh my God, this is not us. Charot.
But you know what's us? Guys, sorry
Oh,
kasi
what's us? What's
fourth
us?
episode na namin
Oh, what's
ngayon
us?
eh.
Go. Ano, what's us?
What's us? You know, kanina we were saying, oh, that's just me. That's who I am. What's us now is what we're going to say. Ang ina. No, kasi yung topic natin today ay Slam Book Millionaire. Slam Book.
Slum? Ano ba? Slam or slum?
Slam book.
Slam pala.
Slam.
I didn't know na it's slam
Slam
book
book.
pala. Akala ko
Oo.
slum book.
Slam Book. Slam Book.
Bye.
Slam Book.
Slam book millionaire.
Slam Book. Hindi siya slam. Slam Book.
Slam book.
Slam Book.
Okay, kids. Say it again. Slam book. Bakit sa'yo parang,
Slam Book.
parang pang ano, countryside?
Slam
Slam book. Oh, my
Tell us
daddy
the slam
said.
Sa
Ang
mga,
kalat, putang inang
sa
episode
mga
to.
bagets nating chicksters, ano daw ba yung slam book? Nung panahon kasi namin, meron
Grabe
tayong
yung panahon natin. Parang sobrang tanda na natin, girl.
May notebook ka na para kang mag-a-answer ng quiz about yourself.
Oo. Yun yung mga panahon na wala pang mga social
media.
media. So, syempre yung stalking skills mo, literal na,
Sa slam
kailangan
book.
mong isulat. Parang di ba pag pupunta ka ng kahit sa hospital, o, di ba? May
patient
mga charts yan, ilalagay mo. But ito, may mga questions.
Oo. May kwento nga pala ako. Kasi sa slam book, di ba sobrang uso. Meron akong prized possession.
Okay.
Slam book ko siya na may mukha ni Winnie the Pooh.
Okay.
Tapos, di ba, nakakwento ko nga sa mga dating episodes ata na yung kapitbahay ko, laging pinagtitapingan ng mga movies and TV
talaga?
and commercials. Hindi ko pala ata nakwento. Basta yung kapitbahay namin, maganda yung bahay.
Oh,
So,
okay.
laging may artista doon. Bata pa lang ako, exposed na ako sa prod life.
Okay.
Tapos, one day, pupunta doon si Judy Ann Santos. Idol na idol ko si Judy Ann
Oh.
Santos. So, bit-bit ko doon, parang mga 8 or 9 years old ako doon.
Oo.
May slam book. Ako.
Slam book.
So, nilapitan ko siya.
Hirap sabihin, ano?
Sabi ko, pwede pong papirma. So,
Okay.
kinuha niya yung slam book ko. Tapos, buong page, nilagyan niya yung pangalan niya sa buong page. Ginanon niya.
Okay, ik. Joke lang, ik
Hi, Miss Judy Ann Santos.
Bakit mo po in-autograph?
Tapos, umiyak ako. Sabi ko, Hindi, ilalagay mo yung name mo at yung favorite color mo at yung favorite motto mo. So, umiiyak ka ganun.
Literal na umiiyak ka. Oh my God, tapos nai-imagine ko na yung mukha nito.
No, kasi dapat may favorite color, tsaka yung age mo, tsaka yung first crush mo. Umiiyak ka. Kasi sinulatan niya yung buong page na Judy Ann Santos.
Nakakainis. Siguro iniisip niya, gandang-ganda pa sa sarili niya, no? Yung pagkaka-autograph niya, Juday! Pak! May heart pa yan. Tapos with a very nice man. Sagutin mo kasi! Huwag ka mag-autograph dyan!
So, Chicksters, please make this happen. Sana mag-guest natin si Miss Juday one day sa Chicks to Go. At ma-heal ko yung inner child ko.
Trauma yan eh. Trauma yan eh.
First trauma, si Juday. In-autograph yung slam book ko. Hindi naman to autograph book, slam book to.
Ayusin mo!
Sabihin mo favorite color mo. Bubog ko yun growing up. Bubog ko yun.
Gusto ko na bubog mo yun.
Tapos hindi ko na mahanap yung Winnie the Pooh ko na yun. Sana mahanap ko yun. Ang ganda.
Sabi, para siya yung, pwede magpa-picture. Tapos, ikaw na, sure. Ay, hindi, picturean mo. Kayo pa picturean ko. Okay, sorry. Kasi akala ko gusto mo ng picture ko eh. Akin na, picturean ko kayo, tangina nyo. Sumera pala ako.
Sorry, last na talaga, last na. Uso nga yung slam book, di ba? Dati, walang Facebook nga. Tapos wala kang pag-board ka, kailangan mo maging creative. May yellow book. Yung mga number. Hindi pala yellow book, phone book.
Oh my God, girl, wait lang. May concern ako.
Nakita ko yung ninong ko. May ninong ako. Pastor sa isang simbahan. Tinawagan ko. Pwede po makausap si Pastor Rock? Pastor Rock, ako po yung inaanak niyo. Anong ginagawa niyo? Pastor Rock, may slam book kasi ako. Pwede niyo bang sagutin? Ano favorite motto mo? In fairness to him, he gave me like 10 minutes of his time. Sinagot niya. God
research.
is good. Ganon.
God is good.
Favorite color. Ganyan.
Oh my gosh. Dati, kami ng cousins ko, may channel sa TV na para siyang, para siyang live na may mga lumalabas na number, tapos naghahanap ng textmate. Yung I don't know. Parang may music na background, tapos on the side, may parang chat na makita mo, tapos nakalagay doon number na at tapos ASL, di ba? Yung, tapos, basta mga ganon. So,
age, sex, location.
Age, sex, location. Oh, sorry. Sa mga batang chicksters natin, ASL is age, sex, location, okay? Tapos yung sex, hindi yes or no, ha? Female or male yun, okay?
Hindi always.
Hindi sometimes. Hindi yung ayusin mo. Okay? Yes.
Tapos location, anywhere.
Anywhere, here. Punta yun dito. Tapos, so out of like, sobrang bored lang. Ganyan din. Mag-ano kami. Magte-text lang. Wala lang. Tapos magtitripa, or kunwari tatawagan namin. Tapos pakikingan lang namin yung boses. Tapos kami, tapos bababa. Sobrang walang kwenta.
Ang saya ng buhay dati.
Ang saya, di ba? Ganong katarantaduhan lang.
And,
sorry.
Kaya natin naisip yung slam book. Putang ina, nakakabarok naman to.
Nakakabarok. Nakaka-red flag to. Hindi
Kaya ako ng red sword.
Hindi nga masabi yung slam book.
Slam book. Kasi Slumdog Millionaire yung naiisip ko.
Ano?
Slam book.
Slam! Alam mo, magandang drinking game to. Pakinggan nyo tong episode na to. Every time na sasabihin namin yung slam book, mag-shot kayo. Feeling ko lahat tayo lasing.
Sa Chicks to Go Chikahan page, nag-post kami ni Ashley, uy, magre-record kami ng episode, anong maganda na gawin? Tapos may nag-suggest na gawin nga to.
Ang galing nga.
So thank you to that Chickster.
Hahanapin ka namin.
Oo.
Papaliparin namin yung team papunta sa'yo para sagutin yung punyetang slam book na to.
Okay, so first question. Name.
Di ako sure.
Hershey Christabel. So, Christabel means Christ is beautiful.
Wow!
Mas babae, her na nga she pa. Hershey.
Ako, Megan.
Megan.
Megan Ashley.
Sobrang blondie ng pangalan. Megan Ashley.
My name is Megan
Tsaka
Ashley.
hindi siya Megan, ha? Megan.
I told you
Megan.
guys, it's Megan.
Megan.
Stop calling me Megan. The fuck?
Megan. Parang mango.
Megan.
Megan.
Megan. Anyway,
Next.
yeah.
What is your nickname?
Uy, pinroject
Uy!
mo.
Uy, parang pang...
Parang kami ang salita gawin. Sino yan?
Sabi ka, parang sa radio, mga love DJ. Oh, good evening.
Good evening.
What is your nickname?
What
Hindi ko
is
naman
it?
ganyan.
Ina na niya eh.
Lalaki! Sound good.
Sabi, parang si Big Brother na kailangan pinugian yung boses.
Hello.
What is your nickname? Housemates, pumasok ka sa confession.
Nickname mo?
Meg.
Meg. Ako Hirsch.
Or Ash.
But fun fact, hindi naman fun fact, just a fact. I hate it. Pag hindi ko ka-close, tinatawag akong Hirsch.
Oh my gosh, that's so true.
Don't call me Hirsch. You're not my friend.
So when do people get to call you Meg?
Okay, ngayon na share ko na to, wala kayong karapatan na tawagin ako Meg.
Chicksters,
Kasi-
huwag yung tatawaging Meg si
No,
Ashley.
kasi dun ko na distinguish
Does it sound too
kung
loud?
kilala
My voice.
nila ako from way back
voice.
or mga bagong friends ko na sila. Because my family and my friends like from school, Meg yung tawag nila sa akin. So yes, but please don't call me that, okay?
Yeah.
Call me Ashley or Petra.
Or Ash.
Or Ash.
Or ganda.
Hindi rin. Ganda na lang.
Ganda.
B. Wag niyo rin
B.
akong tawaging ate. Napipikon ako pag inaate ako. Kasi naman, nakakainis yung Tete.
Parang, hindi ko alam kung sa Netflix to. Basta may series si Direk Andoy Ranay. Kasama nga sila Agot Isidro, Cherry Pie, etc. Yung name is Don't Call Me Tita. Kasi
Oo.
pet peeve pala ng mga women in their 30s and their 40s pag tinatawag silang tita. Kasi parang, bakit? Halos magka-age na nga tayo,
Yeah.
tapos ititita mo ako at hindi kita pamangkin. Like si Lea Salonga, di ba? Don't call me tita. Kaya ngayon, I'm very careful. Pag I work with an older woman on set, I call them ate or miss. I don't call them tita. Kasi
Yeah. Oo. Or you can just ask them
What
kung
do they
anong prefer
prefer?
nila, 'di ba?
kasi parang feeling close agad eh.
Tama.
Tita.
Yeah.
Tita, ba't ako
Yeah.
di tita? Di naman kita inaanak. Or ano.
Oh, sorry.
Don't call me Hirsch if we're not close.
Okay.
Tatari pala. Ang daming sinabi. Nasa second question pa lang tayo.
Guys, so we have like 22 more
Kung
questions.
shit.
Kung slam book talaga to, no? 2 pages na to.
My name is ganito, but please don't call me that. Kasi ganito, ganyan. Ang daming sinabi. Okay, next.
How about your zodiac sign?
Aries.
Pisces.
I'm
Fire
Virgo.
and water.
I'm a Virgo man. How about
Again, fuck Virgo men. Joke lang. Joke lang siya.
what is your motto in life?
Time is gold.
Humor is healing. Okay.
Okay.
Who was your first crush?
Oh my God. Okay.
Are you willing to drop names or are you not?
Oo. Tatlo yung first crush ko. Una si Simba, given na yon. Second, si Prince Eric.
Like actual
ng Little
okay.
Mermaid. So siya yung parang, shit, gusto kong maging mermaid. Kasi may Prince Eric ka. Tapos yung first real person crush ko, nursery ako. Nursery gago.
Ilalandi mo, nursery pala. At saka gusto ko yung natandaan mo.
Alam mo yung mga basic 2s and 4s na, ng mga play school, ganyan. Meron akong classmate, si Vinny pangalan niya.
Wow.
Tapos siya, deep eyes, thick brows, black hair.
Vinny is short for what?
I don't remember.
Binyan.
Vincent?
Vignette.
siya. Wala lang. Vincent?
Nagpauso ng pangalan.
Tapos yung memory ko is, may crayon ako, mag-seatmates kami, may crayon ako, nahulog ko yung crayon, sabay naming dinampot yung crayon together.
Ay,
Tapos
wow.
tumingin ako. Tapos
Nursery to, ah. Mind you guys,
You're making this
nursery
shit
to.
up. You're
I
making
was
it
like,
up.
Nursery sila ni Vinny.
Tapos yung cute, yung ate ni Vinny, schoolmate or classmate ng sister ko. So, tuwing graduation ni ate, nakikita ko si Vinny, ganun. Pero ngayon,
Winnie the Pooh. Pinaslam book mo ba si Winnie the Pooh?
pero ngayon hindi ko na alam kung nasan siya. So, yeah, hi!
Shout out pa.
Sorry,
Vinny,
Vinny.
hey.
Taken na ako, pero thank you for the
Wow!
memories. Tapos si Vinny, I don't even remember you.
To. Nananawagan po ako sa lahat ng Vinny. Mag-send po kayo ng picture at iisa-isay namin kayo.
Kung may thick brows and deep eyes ka.
That's so funny kasi ang naalala kong first ever crush ko was a girl.
Oh.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. And kasi, well, parang, I guess I was just admiring her. But meron naman pwede naman ng girl crush. Until now, may
So,
mga
sino
girl
to?
crush.
Sino?
I don't remember her name. But parang sobrang, alam mo yung mga typical, like, cookie cutter perfect girl na yung ang ganda ng eyes niya, tapos parang ng hair niya rin na dark, yung hair na parang hanggang dito lang. Tapos mabango siya. Tapos yung parang mestiza siya, tapos ang ganda ng smile niya. Tapos parang alam mo yung ang ganda niya lang. So I guess I was just admiring her na parang nagiging baka tibo pala ako. Joke.
Oh, why not?
I mean, why not? Yeah.
I love it.
Yung next na crush ko naman, na kapitbahay namin, I guess it's really just because of proximity. Proximity!
Yung kapitbahay ba ito na kinuhanan mo ng dalandan juice?
Kaga hindi. Hindi. Playmate ko siya. Playmate ko siya sa Cops and Robbers.
Social naman ang nalalaro
say
nila.
it like that?
Excuse Cops and Robbers. Okay, excuse me. It was all of us, like, yung mga kids dun sa townhomes. Sa village namin. May park kasi kami. Tapos kami mga bata, naglalaro kami ng Cops and Robbers. So may isa doon, hindi ko na siya pangangalanan.
Ice water lang sa amin eh.
Jologs kayo, kami Cops and Robbers, may pellet gun pa.
Tapos,
So yun. So parang, siguro kasi siya lang yung pinakamalapit. Parang, sige na nga, crush na kita.
pogi to.
Sakto lang.
Grabe.
So parang feeling ko, parang wala talaga akong concept na kung ano talaga yung totoong crush. Parang, sige na nga, crush na kita. Next.
Next question.
Ang haba ng explanation
Sobrang haba.
sa bawat sagot.
Okay,
Piliin
mas
mo na
madali
lang
lang
yung
to.
mga
Madali lang to.
magandang
Favorite
question.
ice cream.
Vanilla.
Favorite ice cream. Gusto ko yung mga vanilla na may cookie dough.
Correct.
So, cookie
Tama.
dough.
So, classic siya, pero surprise!
Pwedeng ganon. Ako gusto ko rin yung parang cereal milk.
Gusto mo ng serial killers tsaka cereal milk.
Precisely.
I love that.
Yes. Like, kasi pag cereal milk, parang mas may ibang lasa pa siya compared sa vanilla lang.
Yeah.
Last one, for the easy one. If you had a superpower, what would it be?
Ako, invisibility.
Oh,
Why?
interesting. Bakit?
And what would you do?
I'll spy on people.
Sobrang multo ka talaga,
Like,
gago.
ka talaga.
namulto talaga ako.
Once
Kasi parang, at least meron akong, diba, pwede ako mag-invisible. Tapos biglang,
Imagine mo pag nahuli ka.
imagine, I'm here!
Pag nahuli ka,
Ha?
pag nahuli ka, naglalakad yung pulis sa'yo, tapos biglang nawala ka,
Diba?
gago.
Or alam mo, convenient yan kung may concert. Tapos gusto mo mag-front
Yes.
row. Magiging invisible ka. Tapos
Exactly.
pupunta ka lang sa front row.
I can go anywhere
Pero may
I
cellphone,
want.
may
True.
cellphone na lumilipad
True.
kasi binibidyohan mo ng 0.5.
Point five.
Nakagano, naka-selfie sa'yo.
Kasi
pero invisible ka.
Ang
Nakalimutan
ganda.
mong invisible ka.
Ang ganda.
Selfie video mo.
Invisibility. Yeah, bakit? Yung iba kasi they wanna fly. Pero, okay, nag-fly ka nga. At least pag invisible ka, you can go anywhere you want. People
True.
won't see you.
Ikaw,
You can
Hershey.
be- You can do that. You can be sneaking shit.
Ako, I really like kasi flying. So parang sa Enchanted Kingdom, favorite ko yung flying trapeze. Yung swing na gumagano.
Flying fiesta.
Ay, flying fiesta. Saan yung trapeze?
Trapeze? Hindi mo favorite na naman yon. Kayang pesta yun.
Itong macadamia.
Macadamia.
I love chocolates na may macadamia.
I like flying trapeze. Okay.
Flying fiesta. Kasi
Flying
feeling
fiesta.
mo lumilipad ka. Tapos mahilig ako sa roller coasters.
Okay.
Tapos gusto ko yung pa nagro-road trip. Tapos pababa. Tapos yung, makikiliti kang gano'n.
Paano yun? Paano yun? Paano yun?
Imagine you get to travel the world for free. Travel ka doon. Kung yun yung hypothetical superpowers natin, ano naman yung real life superpower mo ngayon?
Wow! Thank you for that wonderful question.
Hindi man lang ako pinatanong nun.
She's such a Virgo
I
man.
know. Stop it.
Not everything's about you,
We're
Sean.
not talking to you, Virgo
Let us talk
man.
about ourselves.
My superpower? Humor.
Yeah, you're so funny.
So, parang that's my healing power. That's my superpower. Power.
Power to you.
Power!
Ikaw, Hershey, what's
Power?
your superpower?
Power! What's
Yung
your
superpower ko, empathy.
Spell.
Ano na lang? GV's
M.
Empathy.
Literal na M. Yung walang E. M. Charot.
Parang people open up to me easily. Parang kahit sa bars or sa, like random people, biglang magkikwento ng life nila.
Tingnan mo ito, may bastos na iniisip to.
Parang nag-open up easily in all aspects. Joke lang. Sorry, totoo. Hindi, but that's so true. Totoo. You are very empathetic.
You are.
Yes, Princess
I agree.
empathetic.
I'm not pathetic, but I'm empathetic.
I like that. Okay.
Next.
Okay, what is the soundtrack of your life?
Sweet disposition. The temperate trap.
Bakit?
Bakit
A
yan?
moment, a love, a dream, a laugh, a this, a cry, a rise, a rose, a moment, stay there. Diba?
Wow!
Paano?
Bakit?
Such a feel-good song. And every time I hear it, parang ang sarap ng feeling niya. Parang, wow, ang sarap mabuhay.
Parang nasa movie na
Yeah.
indie. Tapos montage siya.
Oo. Or kahit pag ginagawa nilang mix yun sa mga concerts, diba? Parang, "Oh,
Yeah.
that's my jam, let's go.
Tama.
Ikaw na maaalala ko doon, the sweet
Aww.
disposition.
That's so sweet.
Ako, Blue Sky ng Hale. There's a blue sky waiting tomorrow.
It's a good song.
Waiting tomorrow, shining, shimmering.
Shoutout po si Hale, tsaka si
Aladdin.
Temperature.
Kasi shining, shimmering, Aladdin.
Splendid, shimmering, splendid. Wow! Nag-collab sila ni Aladdin. Hey, Aladdin.
Shining,
Aladdin.
shimmering, splendid. Ang bobo.
Princess Jasmine ka pa naman.
Kasi parang, ayun nga, people think that we're always so funny. But actually, the funniest people, sila yung sensitive, sila yung parang may mga pinagdaanan.
Si Ashley sensitive.
Kaya siya Hale, I like yung parang tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow, may blue sky. So, okay, sad tayo today, but tomorrow's gonna be happy.
Oh.
That's so sweet.
Wow, that's really sweet.
Next.
So what's your most repeated song?
Ooh.
Like in your old iPod,
Check ka
what was
natin
your
yung
most repeated
Spotify.
song? Or currently sa Spotify?
Currently,
Sige.
actually, nakakatawa. Because as a millennial,
Oh.
go girl.
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
A party like a rock star.
Yeah, okay.
Look like a movie star.
Okay.
Nakakatawa siya. Kasi,
I get
okay,
that.
fun fact. Pag naliligo ako, kailangan talaga may music ako.
Facts.
Hindi kumpleto yung shower experience ko
True.
pag wala ako music. Parang, I feel so sad.
True.
Nade-depress ako. Parang, oh my God, I can't. I need music.
Tama.
Tapos kikis-kis ka ng batok.
Diba?
Party like
Ayun,
a rock.
a party like a rock star.
So yung most played ko, Blue Sky. Tapos yung
Consistent.
second ko, Party for You.
Parehong party pa
Party
rin.
for you.
Only do this party for you, for you, for you. Sabi ko ni, kanina piniplay mo na siya eh.
Okay. Tapos next. If it's the end of the world, who would you call?
My dad.
My mom.
Aww. Nakakayak naman to.
Well-raised daughters. Grabe
sweet.
naman yung
That's
mga
sweet.
family-oriented na to.
That's sweet. That's so sweet.
Family-oriented baka mo. Kami yun eh.
My family, oh my God. They're the most important persons in my life. Thank you.
Galing.
Parang yung dad ko, siya yung true love ko talaga. Tapos, whenever anything happens, good news, bad news, anything, siya yung first person I call.
That's sweet. That's sweet.
My mom is like that too.
That's sweet.
She my bestie.
That's sweet. Okay. What is your motto in life? Ay, shit. Natanong ko na pala yan. Natanong ko na ba yan? It is, diba? I did,
Natanong mo
diba?
na.
Okay.
Hindi mo man lang tinanong kung anong favorite color namin. Pucha naman.
Kasi wala dito eh. Sige, what's your favorite
Pinaka-importanting
color?
question
What's your
eh.
favorite color?
Inaway si siya.
What's your favorite color?
Kaaway
Forest green!
Akin kasi teal eh. I like teal.
Paki ko! Joke lang. Joke lang.
Ikaw, Hirsch.
What's your favorite color? Chicksters,
So what
for
would you change?
context. For context, Chicksters, si Ash kasi at si Sean, pareho sila ng ugali. So sila yung nagka-clash.
Para siyang lalaking version ko.
Ako, favorite color ko, red.
Obviously.
Tsaka green ka ngayon.
But that's not
Green
forest
talaga
green.
ako.
That's just mint green.
Okay, sorry, dahil ba favorite color ko, kailangan yun lagong suot?
Kaaway na naman. Hindi nga Ash yung suot niya ngayon, o green nga.
Okay, ayan.
Okay. What would you change about your childhood? Medyo seryoso na tayo.
Fuck. Joke. Ako, sa totoo lang, I had such a fun childhood. So I don't think I would want to change anything. I guess I was blessed kasi both sides of my family, super big family kami by the way. So, and I love na parehong close. Hindi kami yung type na, shit, yung family ko nandyan, or parang bad trip, yung nagtatago sa kwarto, ganyan. Kami, we look forward. We look forward to hanging out with everyone. We would plan trips, ganyan, as in mag-out of town, out of the country, mga ganun-ganun. So, it was so fun. Parang ang dami kong kalaro kasama. Like, uso yung mga sleepover, ganyan. And that's why I would want, sana rin, for my future children, na maging
For
ganun
cash.
din kasaya yung childhood nila. Like, I want them to have all these types of experiences para masaya sila in life. And I thank you.
Wow.
What about you, girl?
Ano nga yung question? Sorry.
What would you
would
change?
about?
What would you change about your childhood?
Ako kasi,
Or sige, if wala kang papalitan, what would you add to make it like to make it better?
Or your ideal childhood?
Yeah. What would you
Ako
add,
kasi-
Ashley? What would you add, Hershey? If wala kang tatanggalin?
Actually,
Or wala
okay,
din?
I'm really contented. Kasi even yung, syempre, it's not perfect. I'm not saying na I had like the best childhood. Like, may mga times din na ano ako, na bully din ako sa school. But I wouldn't change it because that molded me into who I am now. Diba? So, I won't change it. Wow! Oh, lul!
Ito, pwede ko ba i-share sa Chicksters? We can
Ano?
edit it out kung you don't wanna share
Alright.
it. Parang, yung what I admire about Ashley's family is that, di ba na-open up mo nga that your mom and dad separated before, di ba? So, pero, one big happy family pa rin kayo.
Yeah.
Na parang yung mom mo, she has her husband now. Yung dad mo, di ba?
May girlfriend
May
siya.
girlfriend. Pero like, pag nag-visit ako with Ash, nagpa-family dinner kaming lahat together with tita, with tito, with the family. Parang,
Yeah.
ang galing na it's such a big, loving family. Hindi siya yung parang, oh, wag i-hate natin to, or wag dyan, wag dyan. It's
Yeah.
more, okay, lahat tayo nagmamahalan.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
Yeah,
Ganda.
and I like that kasi that's not the typical or usual setup here, lalo sa Philippines,
Tama.
where hate is instilled habang bata pa lang, di ba? Parang, oh, yung tatay mo ganito, ganyan. And that's why I'm really grateful and blessed na meron akong parents na ganun yung mindset because ang laking difference nun for me. Kasi mas nagiging loving ako towards like, mga, parang mas malalim yung understanding ko sa mga ganong klaseng bagay.
Yeah. Ang ganda.
So, thank you. What
Ako,
about you?
yung childhood ko kasi, sobrang quote-unquote perfect childhood siya. Quote-unquote.
Why?
So,
Bakit?
parang,
What makes the perfect perfect?
so ito na nga, growing up, may classmates you will tell me, kasi sila parang may family problems. So, they will tell me, hindi mo maiintindihan kasi perfect yung family mo or perfect yung childhood mo. Kasi parang, quote-unquote, complete family, quote-unquote. Every Sunday, magkakasama. Kumbaga, may checklist of what a quote-unquote perfect childhood is. Na you get to go to school, you get to play, ganyan. So parang yung life ko noon was quote-unquote.
Ang daming
peaceful.
quote.
Ang dami ng quota, parang...
Hindi, kasi there's no, imbis na slam book yung yung pang-inom, quote-unquote, yung sa drinking game. So, yung growing up, parang, kasi there's no such thing as a perfect childhood, diba? So ako parang, bakit nila sinasabi yun? Kasi I didn't experience challenges, I didn't experience pain. But then, I realized, parang dati sabi ko, sana nung childhood ako, alam ko na yung struggle or alam ko na yung pain. Pero, na-experience ko siya nung teenager na ako when something so life-altering happened to me. Yun nga yung assault case ko and everything. So, doon nag-upside down yung buhay ko. Na parang, from a perfect life, biglang shit, lahat ng turmoil, sobrang sirang-sira na yung buhay ko. As in, sobrang na-shake yung buong foundation ng bahay. Everyone was so shaken and traumatized by what happened. Tapos, parang I had to rebuild my life after that. So why am I sharing this? It's because wala talagang timeline ang buhay ng mga tao. Parang sabi ng mga classmates ko noon na sila early on, they experienced pain. Ako, I experienced pain later on. Kumbaga, life has its own way of catching up. Life has its own way of giving you lessons. Walang timeline of when it should be.
Right.
So, if I had to change anything about it, before I would answer na, masyado akong sheltered dati, masyado akong hindi pinapayagan sa certain, mag-explore. Pero ngayon naman, sobrang nag-explore na ako, sobrang naging wise na ako kasi I experienced it later on in my life. So there's nothing really to change. It's more of, parang yung chapters in our life, hindi siya designated na, sa chapter na to, dito matutunan yung lesson na to. Sa chapter na to, this is where you'll find love. Sa chapter na to, this is for... No, it's different for all of us.
I get that. But ang question, and what was your childhood like?
It was perfect. It was really fun.
So what would you change? You wouldn't change anything?
I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything about it. But before, parang sabihin ko, masyadong perfect. Masyado akong sheltered. Na parang I wanted sana na to know what real life is. But then, I learned about it.
Later
Teenager
on
na ako.
So would you have changed? Okay, so if I could tweak the question, would you have changed your teenagehood? Would you have changed that thing about you?
No, because yung pain ko rin, it gave me purpose. Parang, di ba, you can be shaped by your past, but you're not defined by it. So, everything happens. Ang cliche, pero everything happens for a reason.
Correct.
Kaya yan yung timeline ng buhay mo. May specific ka na season for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Love it.
Thank you,
Love
candidate
it.
number 2.
Okay. So, what is the earliest recollection of happiness? What is your earliest recollection of happiness?
Hirap na.
Yeah.
Ako parang, nung bata ako, may yung first happy memory ko is umaakyat ako ng hill na puro snow.
Jack and Jill went up.
Na puro snow.
Wow!
Tapos
Saan to?
kasama ko, somewhere in...
Sa Davao.
Basta sa States. Hindi ko na maalala. Tapos naalala ko lang, ang saya-saya ko.
Bakit?
Na may snow, tapos kasama ko yung family ko. Yun lang yung parang exploration, adventure family. Pinagsama. First time to experience snow.
Okay.
Ikaw?
Beach pa rin. Kasi yung family ko before, as in, we would always go nga out of town. Tapos naalala ko na iba-ibang mga beach yung pinupuntahan namin. And we were complete, like kaming mga cousins and relatives. And it was just such a fun time. As in, parang feeling ko lagi kami nag-field trip, ganon. So, snow and beach. As a beach person.
Have you changed your mind about anything lately?
Palalim ng palalim yung mga tanong na to,
Changed your mind about anything lately?
Last two, by the way. Like after this, dalawa na lang.
Ang ganda
So
ng
last three.
question na yan.
But yeah, it's true.
Kasi
That's
it's
such a
okay
good
to
question.
change your mind. It's okay to change your
Yeah.
opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi yung opinion mo 5 years ago doesn't necessarily mean that it's the same opinion you have
Correct.
today.
Correct.
Kasi like you said nga, naiiba or nag-evolve ka na, nag-grow ka na, naiiba na rin yung mindset mo and yung paninindigan mo and values and all that. So, yes, I think I have changed my mind. But I can't really pinpoint ano exactly. But feeling ko, in a way, parang mas nagmamature na yung mga decisions ko. Na mas ano na siya, hindi naman calculated, but more on mas careful, I guess. Or, I don't know the word. What's the word? Ikaw nga muna, pass muna. 1, 2, 3, pass.
Naging game. Ako, nag-change yung perspective ko of parang happiness. Parang ngayon,
Yes, tama.
sobrang happy ko sa simple. Sa private and simple lang. So, parang I look forward to every Sunday night, magsasama-sama kaming family, kakain kami sa bahay. Parang yun yung highlight of my week na, okay, mag-dinner kami. Tapos, parang dati, I want more. I want grand things. Parang may ang dami mong hinahabol. And it's okay to want that. I'm a very career-oriented,
Or
sobrang
ambitious.
ambitious ko. Sobra. Like, sobra akong ambitious. Workaholic. But, nag-change din yung concept of what is important to me. Parang, at the end of the day, will this matter 5 years from now? And what matters 5 years from now, it's always going to be my core. It's my family.
Tama.
Ako, I guess, in that sense, parang truly letting go. Dati, I always had this like, oh, I have to control everything. I have to control this situation or yung, parang, it was just masyadong gigil. Alam mo yun? About sa lahat. And then now, na truly letting go, na hindi yung sinasabi ko lang pero yung sa mismong yung puso ko or things na, okay, you know, back then, siguro I'll make such a big deal out of this. But now, mas iniisip ko na, you know, I don't need to stress about it anymore. Like, it's okay. Mas nagiging, mature nga na, hindi lahat kailangan paglabanan or bigyan masyado ng energy. Like, sige, magagalit ka, but after nun, okay na. Let go na. Hayaan mo na. Di ba? Coming from me, na lagi akong pikon. Dati talagang, putya, tagal niyan. Yung duration niyan, mga 3-5 business days or 1 week. Ngayon, it's like, that's it, that's life. And parang the more na mas hinahayaan mo yung universe, the more na parang binibigay niya sa'yo.
Tama.
Nagfo-flow lang siya because of your frequency, yung ano mo, yung aura mo, yung vibe mo. It's because wala na yung scarcity mindsets mo. It's about abundance.
Tama.
Diba? So, it's letting go. At saka, kasama din ba to yung let them theory?
Yeah, let them.
Diba? Kay Mel Robbins, let them.
Just let them.
Yeah, just
Kung
let
ano
them.
iniisip mo sa akin, go. Sige. Kung yan ang gusto mong gawin, go.
Diba?
Yeah,
Yung wala,
yeah.
yung parang ganun,
Yeah.
yes, ganun ka naka-chill.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. You know, for me, I added, just to add a little bit, the thing I changed my mind about lately was I learned to forgive myself for little
That's so
things.
good, yes.
Like it's not just like yung parang like it's what I've done in the past. It's more like yung parang I want to be who I am right now, and I don't want to apologize for who I am.
There you
Parang
go.
if I want to buy this thing, I don't have to make myself feel bad about this buying thing. You know what I mean? Like I feel like that's what I changed lately. That I've been more forgiving.
Being at peace with yourself also.
Exactly.
Dati din, sobrang people pleaser ako. Na sobrang gusto kong yung approval ng mga tao. Gusto ko liked ako.
Yeah, like it
But-
would crush you if like one person said they didn't like
Yes.
you.
Pero itong
Yeah.
trabaho natin, parang you're always parang feeling ko minsan I'm public consumption. Na free for everyone to
Yeah.
roast and devour and whatever. So parang every day, I get really painful comments, really mean comments. Every day, I read that. Tapos dati, if that was the old me, sobrang dadamdamin ko siya. Pero now, ang liberating pala nung block.
Yeah.
Delete, block, bye.
Oo, dapat, diba? Hindi mo na kailangan sagutin. Hindi mo kailangan patulan lahat.
Or minsan like, hindi ko na nga binablock. Like, okay, think that. Kasi at the end of the day, okay, you may not like me, but I have solid friends who do. And you're
Oo.
not my friend.
And, di ba nga, our energy is the most expensive currency and not
Yeah.
everyone can afford
Yes.
our
Energy.
currency. Our frequency, our energy. Charot. Elasticity. Lahat na lang ito. Electricity.
Okay.
Okay, the last, second to the last one. What title would you give this chapter of your life?
Ano ulit?
What title would you give this chapter of your life?
Elevation.
Elevation.
What a word. Why that word?
Ano?
What a word. Why that word?
Tapos bobo pala, elevator.
Elevator.
You learn to use the elevator.
I want to get high, so elevate.
Pero bakit nga? Bakit elevation?
Wala pa. You have to... you man have. It's a choice if you want to keep elevating. Diba?
Tama.
You don't want to be stuck in one place your whole life.
Yeah.
Because
Ganda.
change is scary, but so is staying in the same place. So, you gotta elevate. Elevate tayo, pare! Charot!
Gusto ko yung ini-encourage natin yung mag-elevate. Pero sa previous episode natin, putang ina ng mga QR codes. Gusto namin printed menu.
Tama.
Ayaw namin ng change.
It's selective elevation, okay?
It's elevation that benefits me.
Yeah.
Ayoko ng QR
Yung
code.
sa akin lang. Kung ano yung nag apply para sa akin. Anong beneficial para sa akin.
Tama. Tama.
Sobrang contradicting mo. Sabi,
Ako, it all goes back nga. Di ba sabi ko kanina, yung pain ko, it gave me purpose. And we all always experience pain di ba? So yung word, yung chapter ko, it's still lawakan. So call back siya sa episode natin ng ang pinaka ng 2024.
girl, parang lahat ng episode sabi mo yung lawakan.
Yung lawakan. Oh, kasi
But
it's
it's
really
really
my
your word.
Lawakan. I will expand my life after pain.
Nice.
Nice. Love it.
Nice. Okay, lastly, what lesson took you the longest to learn?
Oh my God. I don't think I used to...
Feel free to answer.
I haven't learned my stupid lesson. And I know that I'm being so freaking stubborn.
Do you mind getting in why? Ano yung lesson na yun na hindi mo magawa? Or is it not podcast worthy? Is it not podcast?
I think this is my biggest lesson right now. This is my struggle, which is love. And then I realized na I have an avoidant attachment. And it's not because it was my choice. I think because of all the experiences na I had to go through, naging ganun na ako. And until I meet someone nga na hindi na maging ganun yung attachment style ko, magiging secure attachment na. Okay, so sa mga chicksters na walang alam kung what the hell I'm talking about, there are different types of attachment styles when it comes to love. If you wanna try to dig deeper, search nyo na lang, guys. But, so yun. So I feel like, because I am that right now, I am unconsciously attracting those type of people na avoidant din. So in short, I'm fucked. But it's okay because at least that's one step. We're being self-aware, diba? And I know what I should and shouldn't do. So I'm just, being patient with myself and like, mas unahin kong i-heal muna yung sarili ko so I can be a better partner in the future. So, ayun lang.
Galing.
Galing. Ang
Very
galing,
good,
leche
good
ka.
Ang galing ng sagot, no?
Ang galing, leche ka.
Stop.
Red flag.
Ako, the hardest lesson really was what love is all about. Kasi parang, I once went out on a coffee hang with this guy, and he said, I don't get it. You have a really good dad, and your family's really, like, they seem like nice people. Why do you keep getting attached to bad people, to bad guys? Or yung parang bakit laging palpak yung relationships ka before? Like parang may mga fuckboy akong dinate, may ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Sabi ako, oo nga no, bakit? Bakit sobrang excited ako sa love? Na parang I always dive head deep, head first. So whatever concept of love there is. So parang pagka-break, okay, ito, mag-a-attach ako dito, mag-a-attach ako dito, to. Tapos parang, it took me a while to search for love far and wide, only for me to realize it's been within me all along.
Aww.
So, di ba sobrang cheesy niya? Pero yun yung mahirap hanapin yung sarili. Parang may book, yung The Little Prince, meron doon parang quote na, it's easy to judge other people, but it's so hard to judge yourself. Ang hirap kaya yun, yung titingnan mo yung red flags mo, yung hindi maganda sa'yo. Kasi ang dali lang ihugas yung ibang tao. Pero ako, ano nga ba? Tapos, paano ko mamahalin sarili ko?
Face your demons.
Yeah.
Tingin ka sa salamin.
Demonyo ka.
Demonyo ka. Demonyo. Ayusin mo sarili mo, ha?
O, diba? Therapy session pala tong ano.
So the
Oo nga, parang
longest,
iiyak
so
na
the
nga
less,
ako eh.
so your lesson that took you the longest was loving yourself? Is that what you're answering?
Loving myself, and also parang what is love in general? Kasi parang I always thought love is in other people. It's only to find out, oh, love is me.
So you've
I
answered
am
that
love.
question.
Huh?
Would you say you've answered this question?
I've answered it.
Would you answer? Sorry, would you say you've answered that question? The
What
question
is
that,
love?
Yeah.
I think I've answered a part of it. Pero parang there's no like 100% this is the answer. Kasi mag-evolve tayo, seasons change. Maybe one day I'm going to be a mom, tapos I realize, oh, love is my kid. It's Kit Kat.
It's Kit Kat.
Diba?
Okay.
Ganon. Yung mag-evolve yan eh. Kaya parang yung question kanina, have you ever changed your mind about anything? We're always going to change.
Yes. That's how
And we
life
should.
is.
And we should
Yeah.
keep changing. Because
Yeah.
if you
For
don't
the
change,
better,
then wala.
ha? For yung change natin. Baka pa sana mag-improve
Elevate.
tayo, mag-elevate tayo. Hindi
Elevation.
yung parang pababa tayo.
Mag-elevation.
Diba?
Mag-elevation
Parang,
tayo.
Ina yung lesson ko, tagal na nito. Para ako, ano ba, may master's degree na ba ako? O repeater lang talaga ako? Paulit-ulit.
Yung 6
Parang
years,
grade-
hindi mo alam ko nag-masters.
Ano ba? O
nag-repeat.
repeater, ano ba ako? Grade 6 ng 6 years? Gago ka ba? Sabi, okay, makulit ka ha? O sige. O, paulit-ulit tayo hanggang ano mo yung lesson mo. Kapal na mukha mo, podcast ka pa, hindi mo naman alam yung ginagawa mo.
Ito finale question. Sa slam book natin, ano yung itsura ng slam book mo?
Ha? Alam mo yung matigas yung pagkakasulat? Yung
Shit.
maano dun sa next page, naka-emboss na ganyan. Parang nagigigil ka pa magsulat. What is
yung cover? yung cover ng slam book mo, ano?
Mukha ko. Ilang ka sa sarili.
I love it.
Yung pang-artista na ano.
Jolina
Gusto mo
Magdangal.
Jolina?
Ganon.
Charot lang. Ano yung, actually, ano ba? Ano ba usong slam book design? Mga cartoons, di ba?
Cute yung mukha mo na may Jolina Magdangal graphics, di ba? Sparkly.
Little Mermaid.
Little
Baka Little
Mermaid.
Mermaid ako.
Shout out pala sa Chickster na ginawa kaming mermaid.
Oo
sa
nga pala.
AI.
Oh my God. Yung pangarap ko yun.
Pangarap namin maging mermaid.
Anong design nung sa'yo?
Heart siya na colorful, tapos may locket.
Aww.
So, hindi mo ma-open yung slam book ko unless may susi ka.
Unless may QR code ka.
Digital slam book, wag na lang. Ayoko.
Oh my God.
Kayo, Chicksters, Gagawa kami ni Ashley ng thread.
my
Sa
God.
Chicks to Go Chikahan, gagawa kami ng thread ng slam book questions. Doon nyo i-comment yung sa inyo.
Please pakita nyo visually, wag description. Pwede nyo naman i-describe sa AI yun para gumawa sila ng photo. Para mas makita.
May homework pala. Okay, class.
Okay.
You have a homework.
Okay, Chicksters. Okay.
A homework? What the- You have a homework?
You have a homework.
Anong pet peeve ang puta?
Pet peeve.
Pet peeve. Yuck.
Sige na, babay
It's
na.
been a long day.
Sige na, babay. Call ko na ba? Call ko na. Babay na, babay na. Sige,
Bye-bye,
sige na, babay, babay, babay.
bye-bye.
5 stars, please.